if you want to mute your camera shadow sound on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, you are to open up your camera. Now tap on your settings, tap on your more settings, and look at your camera sounds and simply turn it off. Easy as that. So, if your phone was built into Japan, Korea, or some other regions where you cannot turn off the sound because of the local laws and authorities, you can use some alternative applications. For example, like our Lightroom application. It's from Adobe or anything else. So choose it to your taste, and keep in mind that even though not all third-party apps may provide you with this option, so try, experiment, and once you will locate a perfect application for you. But basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.